Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our ultimate guide on Lenovo laptop repairs. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to diagnose and fix common issues. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. First, ensure you have a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a can of compressed air. These are essential for opening and cleaning your laptop. Begin by powering down your device and unplugging it from the wall. Next, remove the battery if applicable. This is crucial for safety. Locate the screws on the back panel of your Lenovo laptop. Usually, there are 8 to 12 screws, depending on the model. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them carefully. Keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips. Now you have access to the internal components. Before proceeding, let's talk about cleaning. Dust buildup can cause overheating and performance issues. Take your can of compressed air and blow out any dust you see on the fans and components. If you notice any components are loose or need replacement, this is a good time to inspect them closely. If you're unsure about what to replace, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help you identify the issue swiftly. Now, let's focus on checking the hard drive and RAM. These are common culprits for performance issues. To check the RAM, locate the RAM slots, which are usually near the CPU. Gently pull the clips on either side of the RAM stick to release it. If you need to replace or upgrade it, ensure you have compatible RAM for your Lenovo model. Similarly, check the hard drive. If you're experiencing slow load times, it may be time for a replacement. Remove the screws holding the hard drive in place and gently slide it out. If you don't have the tools or expertise, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for convenience. Next, let's discuss reassembling your laptop. Carefully place the hard drive and RAM back into their slots. Make sure everything clicks into place securely. Before sealing the back panel, double-check that there are no loose cables or components inside. This step is crucial to avoid any issues when you power on your device. Now, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Remember to tighten them in a crisscross pattern to ensure even pressure. Once everything is secure, reinsert the battery if you removed it and plug in your laptop. It's time to power it on. If your laptop boots up successfully, congratulations! You've completed the repair. If you still encounter issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. Our team is here to assist you without the hassle of calls or travel. In summary, regular maintenance and cleaning can extend the lifespan of your Lenovo laptop. Always remember to keep your tools ready and follow safety precautions. If you find yourself in need of assistance, our professional services are just a call away. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.